Welcome back to Chamberlinspeed and Custom. Today I'm building another one-off shift knob from scratch. I'm starting this one with a VW Wolfsburg pin, blue and chrome, with that classic castle. It's a beautiful piece, and it's going to set the tone for the whole knob. First step is to clear resin. I mix it slow to keep the air down. This first layer is what the pin will sit in. I get the molds ready and pour a smooth base layer of clear. That keeps everything sharp once the pin goes in. Before I set the pin, I dip it in the clear. That locks out any tiny air pockets and keeps the metal looking clean once it cures. Then the molds go straight into the pressure pot. I run about 60 psi. It doesn't remove bubbles, it compresses them so small that you'll never see them. While the clear sets, I mix the second pour, a light blue with a touch of iridescent powder to offset the Wolfsburg colors without overpowering them. About 45 minutes in the pot, I pull the molds, pour the second layer, put them right back in the pot. Next up, the final pour. I mix another batch and get everything ready for the insert. This is where my jig comes in. Something I designed myself and 3D printed right here in the shop. It holds the threaded insert perfectly centered and perfectly vertical every single time. Once the molds are full and the insert is set, it's back into the pressure pot for the long haul, usually 12 to 18 hours for a full cure. After a full cure in the pressure pot, the mold comes out rock solid. This is always my favorite part, breaking them free from the silicone and seeing the first look at the finish. From here, I take the knob straight to the disc sander to clean up the base. I remove all the excess material from the pour and flatten the bottom until it's perfectly true. This step sets the foundation for a clean polish and a smooth final fit. Once the base is shaped, I move through a full progression of sanding grits. Everything is done by hand, slow, controlled, and precise. This is where the clarity starts to come alive and the surface evens out. Then it's on to polishing. I use a drill and plastic polishing compounds to bring the resin up to a deep, glassy shine. It takes time, but that hand-finished look is what sets these knobs apart. And here's the finished Wolfsburg Castle knob. Up top, you've got that clean, crystal clear cap that shows off the blue and chrome castle perfectly. Right under it is the light sky blue layer, soft, smooth, and meant to fade naturally into the final color. And the base layer is that deep blue, rich enough to anchor the whole piece and give it depth. 3 layers, 3 different tones, all pressure cured and blended into one clean, seamless shift knob. Every shift knob I build is pressure cured, hand shaped, hand polished, and made for people who actually love to drive. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next build.